Hi everyone, I'm so excited. Our online workbooks are ready to go. So you should all have received some emails that look like this. I would, for the moment, ignore the first two, and we want to look at the one that says account details for whatever your username is at Cambridge. So we click on that. An account has been created for you. Yes, I created your account. So I created one for myself so we can practice. So this is your username. Copy this and save this. You're going to need that. Okay, the first thing we have to do to start using the Cambridge LMS, LMS means Learning Management System, please click the link below and choose your password. Then if you need any help, you can look at these other videos. So this is what we're going to do. We need to choose a password. So you go here, and it's a little tricky, slow sometimes. So my new password, I'm going to make it something I'll remember. And you have to do it again. And then save it. Make sure you write this down somewhere. Okay, so, and then I'm going to save mine over here so I don't forget. All right, and now I'm going to log in with my new password. Okay, log in. Oh, no, log in. So my login name is 17990, and the new password that I created was CLMS. Okay, and I log in. It's a little slow because this is from England. This is a British company, and I think they're, okay, let's see. To view your classes, choose a campus or institution from the drop-down menu. So here where it says Bunker Hill, you have to click on this little arrow, and you want to choose the Chelsea campus. All right, and then the class that you are in, so this was the one that I registered you for. It should say in your email, so make sure you know which class you are. All right, so I think that's it. Let's see, how do I get in? If we just click on it. All right, and then you're here. All right, so here's what we can do, Unit 1, Unit 2, 3, 4. So let's go to the Unit 1. It says Show All, and here's all the exercises we can do for Unit 1. So let's say I click on Exercise 1. And this is a tense. Okay, write the past tense of the verb. So here's the verb, we have to write the past tense. So meet would be met, laugh, laughed, lose, lost, become, became, scream, screamed, move, moved, get, got, open, opened, email, emailed, have, had, hide, hid, do, did. All right, check my answers. Well done. All right. And then send scores. Will send your scores to me so I can, or to the grade book so we can see them. All right, and you can try again if you made a mistake. And then let's close this and go back. Let's see, how do we go back? So you could go to the next exercise if you want, or you could go back to the beginning. Click on content up here. Oh, maybe not. Where did it go? I don't know. Let's see. I guess you just have to keep going, huh? Oh, here we go. So you click up here where it says content. All right, and so that was Unit 1, Exercise 1. Let's see, and you can keep going. So this is kind of new to me, so I'm learning this with you. So hopefully this will be a good thing. There's more things that we can do. I think we can, in addition to the content, there's forums. We can have like chats. We can have blogs, calendars, and so on. I'm still learning all this, so I can't really tell you much more at this point. So for now, the main thing you want to do is go to the content and do the exercises for the unit that we're working on. So I clicked on content, I clicked on unit 1, and I clicked on the arrow, and then you could do the exercise. I'm not sure when it shows you're finished or not, or the progress. I'm not quite sure how that works, but I'm sure we'll find out together. All right, so good luck, and we're going to learn this together, and we'll see how it goes.